Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open the VPN Hotspot app, sign in, and allow required permissions for tethering and VPN. Make sure mobile data or host Wi-Fi is active because the hotspot routes traffic through that interface. Set a clear SSID and a WPA2 or WPA3 password. Doing this now prevents unauthorized access. Once done, toggle the hotspot switch inside the app so the device begins advertising the network to clients. Now configure the VPN tunnel and routing so connected devices actually use the secure link. You pick a server location based on latency and privacy needs, then connect the VPN within the app. Make sure DNS is set to a trusted resolver. If you want some apps to bypass the VPN, enable split tunneling, otherwise use full tunnel for complete protection. Also adjust client limits, data caps, and timeout values to prevent overload. These choices directly affect performance and battery life. Finish by testing and validating the setup so you have a reliable hotspot. Connect one client device, check that the public IP matches your VPN server, and run a DNS leak check to confirm privacy. Monitor battery drain and data consumption. If speeds are poor, try changing server or lowering MTU. If a client fails to join, restart the app, toggle the device hotspot off and on, and if necessary, reinstall the VPN Hotspot app. This simple troubleshooting fixes most configuration errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.